When a Leo walks into a room, the energy doesn't just shift, it rises. Because some people shine, but Leo glows. And today, we're talking about 25 reasons why Leo is the true king of every space they step into. Let's begin. 1. Leos carry a natural spotlight. They don't chase attention. Attention chases them. 2. Their presence feels like warmth. Not just confidence, but a comforting, golden warmth people can't forget. 3. Leos speak with heart. Even when they're strong, their words hold softness. A rare mix. 4. Their loyalty is royalty level. If Leo chooses you, they protect you like family. 5. Leos make people feel seen. They don't just listen, they understand. 6. They turn chaos into clarity. A Leo mind thinks in straight lines, even when life doesn't. 7. Their style? Effortless. A Leo doesn't dress to impress. They dress like they already know who they are. 8. Their courage is contagious. They inspire people without even trying. 9. Leos don't fear honesty. They'll tell the truth, even when their voice shakes. 10. Their creativity is unmatched. Give a Leo an idea. They turn it into a masterpiece. 11. They love loudly. No half energy. It's all or nothing. 12. Their anger? Rare, but powerful. A Leo will take a lot, until they won't. 13. Their forgiveness is a blessing. They let go easily, but they never forget the lesson. 14. They protect their inner child. A Leo carries a spark that never dies. 15. Their humor is iconic. Funny, dramatic, charming, all at once. 16. They uplift others naturally. A Leo walks in, and suddenly everyone feels more confident. 17. Their silence is loud. When they pull back, everyone feels it. 18. Leos don't fake vibes. If they're with you, it's real. If they're not, you'll know. 19. Their ambition is royal. They don't just dream, they execute. 20. They love compliments, but they don't need them. A Leo's self-worth comes from within. 21. They turn pain into power. Every heartbreak teaches them something deeper. 22. Their loyalty doesn't break. If you're in their circle, you're protected. They don't fear being different. Leos shine because they're not trying to blend in. 24. Their energy leaves a mark. People remember how Leo made them feel. And finally, 25. Leos own every room because they own themselves. No pretending, no coping, just pure, authentic, powerful Leo energy. And that is why a Leo isn't just a zodiac sign. They're an experience. If you're Leo, this is your reminder. Your light isn't loud. It's legendary. And if you love a Leo, now you know why they're impossible to replace.